If you're going to be housebreaking your dog or keeping them inside for any length of time, you might also consider buying a crate. Crating done right gives man's best friend a stress-free indoor place to be at night or when you have to be gone. They also allow you to smoothly transition from a newspaper-covered area designed for dealing with the pup's early age mess into the first step of housebreaking. Set the crate out in the puppy area with comfy bedding in the bottom. Now make sure the crate is sized to the dog. It should have room to turn around in the crate, but not much more. This den feeling will help them feel secure, and dogs will naturally resist urinating and defecating where they sleep. Try to let your new companion get used to the crate gradually. Shutting your animal for long periods without working up to it can cause them to avoid the crate. Always give your puppy a treat when they're going into the crate at first. This will create pleasant associations with the crate. Never use the crate as a place of punishment for the puppy, or they will be anxious and upset when crated. If the puppy feels at home and safe in the crate, you can slowly start crating for longer periods of time, and within a month, you'll have a trouble-free, calm way to confine your pet when you need it.